Start with some calm, deep, conscious breaths. Calming down the nervous system. Relaxing the body. Now use the breath to attune with your spiritual intention. Feel the elevated emotion. Align with the good feeling quality that comes with it. Focus in on the feeling. If you want to, you can imagine a person, place, event, or experience which helps to potentiate that feeling quality. Gently hold that vibrational stance, that elevated emotion. As you now focus on the center, sensing the space from the earth to the tail to the crown. Centering in your intention. Calm, peaceful breaths with a sense of ease. Now imagine a small ball of bright white energy. See it shining, sparkling at the base of the spine. Now as you softly draw up at the base, breathe in and rise this light up through to the crown. As you breathe out, gently release. And in your own time, in your own rhythm, breathing in to rise, breathing out to release. Now rest in this sense of risenness in the center. Feeling good in your emotional quality. As you now slowly expand your awareness into the whole etheric body. Sensing the back, belly, chest, sensing the neck and the head, the shoulders, hips, arms, legs, hands and feet, sensing the space, sensing your etheric body. Calm, peaceful breaths, centered in your intention, sensing the space. Attuning every cell with the vibration of your intention. Now, start to sink down from the crown. A gentle shower washing through the skull, brain, eyes, face, cheeks, jaw, tongue and neck. Sinking down through the shoulders, arms, chest, back and belly. Sinking down through the forearms, hands, hips, thighs, knees, calves, shins and feet. Sinking, releasing, washing down through the entire space. Sinking, releasing, letting go of any tension, releasing any blocks. And as you continue to sink energetically, sink now emotionally. Attune with your emotional body and let go, sink all emotional blocks. Fears, doubt, guilt, blame, shame, resentment, anger, pride, desire. Sink, let go. As you continue to sink, release, and let go, surrender now all forceful thought forms. Habits of thinking, limiting beliefs, positionalities. Surrender all the blockages. Centered in your intention, sensing the space, sinking, releasing, letting go. Now see the light in the center. slowly expanding to fill the entire etheric body. See, sense and feel the whole energy body filled with the bright white light. Attune every cell with the frequency of your intention as you rest in this light body. Now let your awareness expand into the field of your intention. And as you sense your center, slowly draw it forward to a line in front of you, activating the power plane. The plane of energy flowing through your center, along that plane. Your center is in attunement with your intention, filled with vitality. Your point of focus to that line in front of you, drawing this vibration, this frequency through your center and to that line. Take some calm, gentle breaths as you focus on the power plane. Feel the center expanded, conscious of the energy flowing through the system. And bring the state into our training today. And use it throughout your daily life, however you wish. Open the eyes whenever you're ready.